All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a great day. In the library right now, so that's why my voice is kind of low. But just gonna do a quick daily breakdown of the trades that I got in today. Let me pull both of these trades up. So to start off the day, I was only open to the long positions, as I've explained multiple times in different videos. That I try to follow 4 hour and 1 hour directional trend for higher probabilities setup. So that's what I try to base my trades off of. So if I'm going to be taking a short in this condition here, I would need to at least see price break to the downside on the 1 hour time frame for me to be willing to take that counter trend position counter to the 4 hour uptrend. So I was really only looking to go into longs today. This was the high that had gotten swept earlier on in the day, in the morning. Um, let me. So once that gets broken through, I was waiting for a price to fill like this 4 hour imbalance that was potentially going to be created. So like price breaks to the upside. I wanted to see the next 4 hour candle fill and then continue up, fill at least 50 to 70% of this imbalance here before we continue to the upside. And that did happen. And I was willing open to like type B or C trades to take for the day. So what I ended up taking initially, let me hide this. Alrighty. So we did have a divergence form on the 15-minute time frame between ES and NQ, where ES did not take the low while NQ did. So I was open to a type C entry, which happened at around 11:15 on the 5-minute time frame. Around 11:10, 11:15, entered, wicked into profit, got stopped. Wasn't upset. It followed my trading plan. And I wouldn't have followed my trading plan had I not entered here and then seen price go all the way to TP. So it is what it is. You got to take the wins, the losses with the wins, and that's what we do. We just manage risk. But what happened is price ended up wicking, just taking the low, and so then I went down to the 1 minute time frame. Was still open to long positions, was still biased for longs. Wanted to see a break of structure to the upside. Now let me hide this here. Was still open to long positions, just needed to see a break of structure to the upside. So we have minor structure form here, right? Price breaks to the upside with an imbalance. Was looking for a rebalance. We get the rebalance, but there wasn't a strong like bullish candle that I was confident in entering in at the time. So I waited. I literally waited for, honestly, this might be one of my best trades. I waited for the perfect candle, this candle here, because usually I wait for like a hammer. This was going to close as one. If it had closed up here, I would have entered, but it didn't. Um, I ended up entering at this candle here. Let me bring this back, actually. Bring this back now. So this was my entry. And I was aiming for just at least a 1 to 2 because I am practicing for my funded evaluation coming up soon that I will be applying for. And in order for me to do that, I want to have very fixed risk and reward parameters for the time being. Initially, my risk was all the way down at this low, so we were looking at around 1 to 2 risk reward. 1 to 2 risk reward. Stops would went to break even at 1 to 1. But I could have held longer. As you see, price kept moving up. So once price broke this high, this became the new swing or the new protected low. So I moved my stops to this low here, and then once we reached the 1 to 1 area, that's when I moved my stops to break even to take all risk off. It was a very good trade, very successful trade. I would say that you just got to stay consistent with these. As you can see, like once price reached the 1 to 2, we just consolidated for a while. So I'm glad I did get out. It would have been just stressful to just stay in this all day and just be thinking about it still. But yeah, it is what it is. I would say that I'm really trying to think of what I could have done better here to protect myself. I really don't see what I could have done better, honestly. Maybe if price broke below this imbalance here, then it signals that we may just be coming down to this low. But I have to keep on taking these type C setups over a long enough period of time so that I can gauge how profitable that entry method really is over said period of time. So just looking to be better with that. Yeah, If you guys like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a Discord in the description. We need one more member to get to 50 members. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.